we have the alphabet. The alphabet is made up of letters. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Some of the letters are called consonants, and some of the letters are called vowels. All of the letters have names, and all of the letters have sounds. Letters are very important. We use letters to make up words, and we use words to make sentences. Today we're going to celebrate the letter K. The letter K is a consonant in the alphabet. Let's see where the letter K is in our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. The letter K comes after the letter J. And the letter K is before the letter L. Now let's take a closer look at the letter K. Here we have the letter K. That's the name of this letter, K. The letter K has a capital or uppercase K, and it also has a lowercase k. The capital and lowercase k look very similar, but the capital K is larger than the lowercase k. The capital or uppercase K is a tall letter, and the lowercase k is also a tall letter. The name of this letter is K. Here's the sign language for the letter K. To make the letter K using sign language, you take two fingers and make kind of like a V. Then you put your thumb in the middle of them like this and leave your other two fingers down. And this is the sign language for K. Now you try it. Put two fingers up like you're making the letter V. Then put your thumb right in the middle and keep these two fingers down. And this is the sign language for the letter K. Now let's learn the sound that the letter K makes. Let me show you my sound card. My sound card has a picture of a hammer that's hammering in a nail. We're going to pretend like we're hammering a nail and make the sound that K makes. Get your hammer. That's the sound of the letter K. Do it with me. Just like in the beginning of the word king. Let's do it together. King. Remember the sound card with the hammer. Another thing that can help you remember the sound that the letter K makes is the name of the letter K. Listen. K. K. Do you hear the sound of the letter K in the name of the letter K? K. Nice work learning the sound of the letter K. Now let's listen to the beginning sound of these objects that begin with the letter K. They begin with the k sound. Say kite. Now stretch it out. Kite. Do it with me. Kite. Do you hear the k at the beginning of the word kite? How about kangaroo? Say kangaroo. Now stretch it out. Kangaroo. Do it with me. Kangaroo. Do you hear the k at the beginning sound of kangaroo. Say kettle. Stretch it out. Kettle. Kettle. Do it with me. Kettle. Do you hear the k at the beginning of the word kettle? Say kazoo. Kazoo. Stretch it out. Kazoo. Kazoo. Do it with me. Kazoo. Do you hear the k at the beginning of kazoo? All right, how about the word koala? Say koala. Stretch it out. Koala. Koala. Do it with me. Koala. Do you hear the k at the beginning of the word koala? Let's do one more. Say key. Now stretch it out and listen to the beginning sound. Key. Do it with me. Key. Do you hear k at the beginning of the word key? All of these begin with the same sound. They all begin with the k sound that the letter K makes. Now we're going to learn how to write the capital and lowercase k. They look alike, but you can tell that the capital K is bigger than the lowercase k. They're both tall letters, but the slanted lines start in different places. The capital K, the slanted line starts at the top line and goes to the bottom line. The lowercase k, the slanted line starts at the middle line and goes to the bottom line. And that's the difference between the capital and the lowercase k. Let's try it with our fingers. Ready? Start at the top, and we have straight lines. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. Try it with me. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. Capital K. Now the lowercase k. Straight line down, go to the middle line, slant in, slant out. Now you try it with me. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. That's the lowercase k. Now let's write it on our board. You use your magic finger and write it in the air, and I'll write it on the board. First, the capital K. I'm going to start at the top line. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. And that's the capital K. Let's do it with your magic finger. Ready? Straight line down, slant in, slant out. Say it with me. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. Now the lowercase k. That starts at the top line as well. Straight line down. Now this is the tricky part. Start at the middle line. Slant in, slant out. You see how I started at the middle line with the lowercase k? Now you try it with your magic finger. Ready? Start at the top. Straight line down. Go to the middle line. Slant in, slant out. Let's try it again. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. That's the lowercase k. Let's do it one more time. First the capital K. Say it with me. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. And the lowercase k. Straight line down, slant in, slant out. Lowercase k and capital K.